Greetings, Earthlings. Our feet guide us forward. Sometimes they make us stumble. Do you give your feet attention, the attention that they deserve, or do you only, think about your feet when you need new shoes or if they are hurting you? Now, I'm not some twisted housewife with a foot fetish. Taking care of my feet has been more of a spiritual practice. If I didn't care for my feet, they'd look like elephant feet. No offense, elephants. So today I enroll you to give your feet a break, let them breathe a bit, give them a soak, a massage, and I'm going to share with you my soft feet ritual. I will say this may be TMI, but I think we're all adults here. So since I've been on top of my feet game and my feet have been super soft, I noticed that I am more open in the bedroom. There's just something so sexy about soft skin. Your feet to be soft too. There's just something personally that's very sexy about that. Maybe I do have a foot fetish. Oh my gosh. Moving forward. So about every 3 months, I will get a pedicure from a professional. So once a month, I do a soak. This is my favorite foot soak ever. Just a little concoction that I kind of came up with. Basically just lemon and roses in warm water. And then I add some oils as well. And I like to let my feet soak in this for about 15 minutes. Sometimes I do this every day, sometimes I do it a few times a week. It just depends, honestly, how much I'm on my feet. So for a simple foot massage, you don't need to know any pressure points or gain any knowledge about acupressure. You just start massaging your feet and feel if there are any tight areas, massage them gently. And first of all, enjoy the feeling and the relaxation in your body just from touching your feet, just from paying attention. There's no rules to do it. You can use an oil. You can do it without an oil, with socks, without socks, using a ball or your plain hands or your partner's hands if they are available. It doesn't matter. What matters the most is that you do it. I love massaging my feet just before bed because it really relaxes me. Try it out, see if it helps if you have a migraine or you can't sleep. Giving yourself a nice foot massage, again, for me personally, it relaxes me and really calms my mind. I always sleep well when I massage my feet before bed. Another thing that I do weekly, I don't do this every day because it can be a bit harsh on the feet. Like twice a week, I take a foot file, and I just take it to the heels of my feet and around my big toe because my big toe gets kind of rough sometimes. Again, it's not necessary every day. If your feet are really calloused, you might want to do it every day for a week until you get a lot of that dead hard skin off. But if your feet are fairly already soft, you don't want to do it too much. Put one of these creams on. I'll get into these in a second. Moisture is the key to really soft feet. So I have 2 creams, and this video isn't sponsored, you guys. These are products that I purchased on my own and will continue to purchase because I love them so much. Using a moisturizing cream on your feet and opting for a cotton synthetic blend that is moisture wicking is going to do magic basically for your feet. But I've tried so many foot creams, and these two actually give results with one use. So I really, really like that. One of my favorites is the Soap & Glory Heal Genius Amazing Foot Cream. Really, really love this one. And then my other favorite is the Q Foot Overnight Intense Foot Repair Balm. This one is really, really thick. This one's thinner. I rotate them, so one night I'll use this, the next night I'll use this, one night I'll use this. I do feel like this one is a little bit more heavy duty. So yeah, I do this every single night. If I skip a few days, you know, when I fall off track, my feet just don't feel as good as when I do it every day. Also, what I do daily is wash my feet with a antibacterial soap. So I do that every time I shower, and I do that daily, just keep them nice and clean. Using this every night with again, make sure you're using a sock that is like a cotton synthetic blend, because it's going to hold in the moisture. So I hope you guys were inspired to show some love to your feet. They deserve it. And give this video a thumbs up. It shows me that you care. Also, turn that notification bell on so you guys are notified when I create a new video. I know YouTube has like this whole algorithm thing. So if my videos are important to you, make sure you hit the notification bell and become part of, what is it, the notification squad? And thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.